Teachers can send students or other teachers to a particular location in the interactive textbook with the Share a Link feature. Navigate to the location that is to be shared and click on the link icon in the navigation bar. A unique URL is created for this location. Click Copy, then close the box with the X. The link can now be pasted into an email or the message function of your interactive textbook. To paste the unique URL into a message, hold down Control or Command on a Mac and click V. A right-click will also bring up the paste option. Note that a teacher or student will need to have a valid account to access any interactive textbook content.